It's my birthday. I wanted like a dress, a bodycon dress. The tailor didn't do what. In fact, the dress didn't give.
Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels. And this is what I got.
NAGBM Productions. NAGBM Productions.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, I'm Stella. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I love you. Do you know what time it is? It's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday today, guys. So please be kind enough to wish me happy birthday in the comment section below. Yesterday, I went out for dinner. Amazing food, amazing location, everything. So I made sure to take some clips last night. I'm gonna insert it now so you guys can enjoy.
Go Charlie. I'm in New York City running. One move me, one let me. No.
So yeah, that's what I did last night. Today, what I have planned for today is indoor skydiving and then go for lunch. I think that's all. But if anything comes up, I'll make sure to vlog it for you guys. But before I get there, something happened. I wanted like a dress, a bodycon dress, silk bodycon dress, but like the tailor didn't do what. In fact, the dress didn't give. Long story short, and I'm going to try on the dress so you guys can see. I'm going to show you what I wanted versus what I got. Mind you, this tailor has made a dress before for me and it was amazing. Maybe the fabric, the satin fabric, is just not her how do I call it? It's not just her area of expertise. So I didn't like the dress, so I ordered the dress that you saw in the clips before from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova came through. So that's what happened. And yeah, let me show you guys the dress now. Like now.
I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got.
Firstly, this just looks like a beep, like it's all the way. It's supposed to be like a crown neck, like plunging a little bit down, but this is what it looks like. And then the zip, it has this whole big zipper here. The back is just, guys, it's just a mess, and I just wasn't seeing myself in this on my birthday. So I got another dress from Fashion Nova, like I said. And please don't even say that because the dress isn't looking nice, because I haven't done my hair and any of that. When I tried on this dress, my hair was done. I didn't have any makeup and my hair was done, and it just didn't give what it had to give. I just realized that the way my camera was placed, you couldn't see like the full length of the dress. I don't know if you can see it now. I just wish this dress worked. It's just like a very nice fabric. I don't know if I can do anything to like salvage this dress. Let me see. I'm gonna have to bring it down again. Other than that, I'm actually going to get ready and then go get my birthday cake, because why not? I need to blow a candle and I need a cake. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready, go get a cake, and after that I have a reservation for the indoor skydiving at 1. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I make it. I'll see you guys when I go to get my cake. I love it. What do you mean? I tried to call her, she didn't even answer. Ooh.
Yes, you can see you.
Ooh, he's my birthday.
Must I leave?
Sing!
Oh, happy birthday to you.
Bryce, are you okay?
Hold on.
Bryce, are you high?
I'm not.
Resta, you need to sing the song first.
That's what I was literally trying to do, and the box was interrupting.
Okay, tune in now. Sorry, mommy, tune in.
Thumbs up. Who is this? It's not me.
Let's see.
Stella, wait, what's going on? I can't see you anymore. Oh,
Hey.
happy birthday.
Okay.
Can I start? Yeah. Okay. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Can you guys sing like I'm having live?
Happy birthday, dear Stella.
your banana head. I am 22. I am 22. I am 22 today.
Many more years to you. Many more years.
Thank you, Raisa.
Many more years, dear Lolo. Many more years to you.
Okay, it's time to get the cake.
Yes, I can't see you though. I can't see you. Please say something.
Oh, sorry, I forgot
You
that
have
part.
to say the wish out loud. It's a 22 thing. You can't say a secret wish at 22.
Raisa, I wasn't doing.
Where have you guys not heard it? Like, what rock are you?
Why do I have to say my wish? Okay, my wish is for. I have a wish. I have a wish.
Okay. Tell us the wish then.
My wish is for Raisa. Wait now. We can set in it. The card is not coming back on.
Put that candle back.
Chelsea said.
Purchase your tracks today.
Stella flew today. She didn't die. We all survived. It was awesome. She's got evidence. Awesome job.
Hey guys, I wanted to do an outro before I end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I had an amazing day, got a lot of love and prayers, and I appreciate it so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Are you kidding me?
Do us. Yeah.